what is it? Smobea bike link plier and channel connector wear indicator tool, new, made in China. And then here you go. This is the master link installer tool. Okay, and this is just a bunch of like wrench, torque wrench. Um, yeah, you can see these hex screws, and these are slotted Phillips. Also got a few common used socket. Okay, so this is 9 millimeter. I bet that's this may be 10. Yeah, this is 10 millimeter. Okay, so 9, 10, 11. And then so there's a square one. I don't know what the square one does, but I guess bike has these. If you have a bike, you need these. I guess. So this is the link rivet cutter. I had to use this to cut it to length so I can fit the gold chain that I bought, because the gold chain is about 3 links too long, so I had to cut it. Actually, it's just pushing the rivets out, and then the chain will be disconnected. So this, what is it? Smobea bike link plier does work. You don't have to buy, buy a park tool. Yeah, it does. This screw here, this knob here does bind. When after I used it the first time, what I did to make it work is to unbind this knob here is to spray some PB Blaster oil, penetrating oil, and then this knob just turned freely. As you can see here, I got a little bit of oil, so that's the trick. A lot of people complain that this tool doesn't work. You have to spend money to buy a $20 tool. That's not true. Just apply some PB Blaster on these threads, and then you can turn, and then it will work like new. So, because these threads are like new threads, so you have to break in the threads, and that's why you need PB Blaster to help smooth the knob here, because this knob is really solid and well made, and also it does work. After I apply PB Blaster, now it's much easier to turn this handle. You see I can use my just 2 fingers to turn this thing. Before, I mean, with my whole palm, I can't even turn this thing because it was so tight. So like I said, apply some PB Blaster to penetrating oil to help smooth the thread here, and then it will work. It worked beautifully. Okay, so there you have it. And I haven't tried this bike chain measurement tool yet, but I think it will work too. Just from the look of it, it does come with a few rivet or length chain, so I think these are gonna work too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think it says something like a 10 in 1 or